I'm going to show you how to remove repost on TikTok all at once. Before we get started with the video, please don't forget to give this video a like, share, subscribe, and hit on the notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Now to get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open TikTok on your device. Make sure you're signed in to your account. Now and here, go ahead and head over to your profile by clicking on the profile button. On your profile, go ahead and head over to the repost section. On the repost section, what you can do to individually remove a repost is to go ahead and click on the repost that you want to remove from your feed. Now in here, go ahead and click on the share button. Now once you click on the share button, this will pop up. In here, go ahead and click on the remove repost button to be able to remove this video from your repost feed. Now, if you want to remove all of your reposts on TikTok, what you can do is to head over on settings and privacy. Now, on the settings and privacy, look for report a problem. So click on report a problem. Now, in here, go ahead and search for other. In here, go ahead and click on the need more help to be able to create a ticket on TikTok help desk. Now in here, you'll need to elaborate the problem that you're experiencing, such as you can't delete all of your reposts on TikTok. After that, go ahead and hit on the send button to be able to send this message to TikTok help desk. So as you can see in here, TikTok has a response where it stated that we'll note your feedback for removing reposts in bulk as we continue to improve this experience. So in the present, there is no specific tool available on TikTok to be able to remove bulk reposts. The only option that you have is to remove each of your reposts to be able to remove all of it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this guide helped you out. If it did, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe.